Distributive property. This video will teach you how to use the distributive property in mathematics. Definition: the distributive property is when a number or variable is multiplied by a sum or difference inside its parentheses. You must multiply it by each term inside the parentheses. In other words, you distribute the number outside the parentheses to each term inside. Examples: A times parentheses B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. A times parentheses B minus C is equal to AB minus B times C. 3 times parentheses X plus 4 is equal to 3 times X plus 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 5 times parentheses 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 10x minus 15y plus 20z. Use the distributive property to help with difficult multiplication problems. And use distributive property to find an easier way to multiply 31 times 19. 31 times 19, and we use the distributive property. We can say that can be 31 times parentheses 20 minus 19. So what we did was we said, okay, let's make 19 as 20 minus 1. So we distributed out. So 31 times 20 minus 31 times 1. And 31 times 20 is 620. And then 31 times 1 is 1. So it's 620 minus 31. And that is equal to 589. Next example. 51 times 21. And so we use distributive property to make this a little easier. So what we did was we change 21 into 20 plus 1. So we put that in parentheses. And so that is 51 times parentheses 20 plus 1. And so it's equal to 51 times 20 plus 51 times 1. And so 51 times 20 is equal to 1020, and then 51 times 1 is equal to 51. So you get 1020 plus 51, and that is 1071. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and have a good day.